was only about 3/4 throttle. It's pretty quick. I didn't want to do a foot to the floor burnout start since I just got this thing fixed. When you go through transmission problems with these cars, you tend to respect the transmission a little bit more. You try to stay away from lots of kickdowns, first gear starts, anything that's abrupt. Just kind of treat her gentle. Now, there's probably nothing wrong with it, but it's only been 3 days since I fixed it, so I would like to make sure it'll last a while before I go screwing it up again, trying to do burnouts or launches to 60 or 80. But that was a 3/4 throttle, and that was pretty strong. I was pretty impressed. Anyway, got to jump on the interstate up here and run up and exit, and I'll film that. This thing's really smooth on the freeway. These Pirelli P0s, I believe they're called. Man, they're a great tire. They're very smooth. I've never had a car that had Pirelli tires on it before, but these are smooth. Hey, got a great ride, good road feel, and they work pretty good on a Benz. I've always been kind of partial to Continental or Michelin's, but these Pirellis are not bad. These are pretty darn good. I'm pretty impressed. Silky smooth, man. Just buttery smooth. Not a lot of traffic tonight. So at about 80 miles an hour, she's turning about 26 or 2700 RPM. Not too bad, but could stand to be a little lower for a V8 with this much horsepower. I mean, our little 4-cylinder Saab, little 2-liter, with the 5-speed automatic, turns only like 23 or 2400. So it's a real highway cruiser as far as the final drive ratio. But this one's not bad. It gives you good instant without even kicking down a gear. You know, all you gotta do is just press the throttle just a little bit, and this V8 just takes on off without having to downshift or anything. Brakes are strong. Man, these brakes are strong on this car. Alright guys, y'all have a good night. Just having to run up to my in-laws' house. They live an exit up from us. I gotta pick up a couple of things. We're going to the Georgia game tomorrow. Football game in Athens, Georgia. So if I get a chance, I'll get some footage. We got about a 3.5, 4 hour drive. And y'all have a good night. Peace. Like, subscribe, share. We'll see you next time. Later.